friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashom unboxing today and I'm really excited for it. Fashom, if you haven't tried it before, I'm going to leave a description down below about it. There's a link as well to get $10 I think off your first box. It's a $20 styling fee. It is not a subscription service, you just do it on demand. So you can just get it whenever you want to. They send you a preview of the items that they've picked for you. Usually they send, to start off, they send you 7 things in the preview and you pick 5 of them for them to send to you. So it's kind of cool. So it's really good for me because I peek at everything if I have the chance. I have no self-control. So it's really nice for me to be able to see what they're sending. So here is the bundle. Oh, look at it. Just look, would you look at it? Does anybody remember that video? The guy is like, would you look at it? Anyway, we have some velvet, some sweaters, so I'm excited. We're just gonna get right into it. But first, we're going to drink some wine from my, it's just too much. It's just too much. And that can mean anything you want to, but usually it just means life. It's just too much. So my friend at work, Colleen, that's her catchphrase. She says it all the time, basically. So for Christmas, I got us all, it's just too much, you know, whatever, mugs, whatever they're called. So we're gonna drink some wine. And that was a good gulp. Okay, let's get into it. So right there, they send you the return envelope. Oh, we should read the note first. They do send you a little note. And the prices, if you keep 3 or more things, you get 25% off, and then if you keep all 5 things, you get 30% off. So I like that about them too. And for every box that gets ordered, they donate $1 to the NYC City Dogs charity. So that's really neat. That's pretty neat. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Happy holidays from the Fashom family. Oh, that's so nice. All right. Hi Rachel, thank you for styling with Fashom again. I hope these pieces will be a bright spot in your day. For that cooler weather starting to settle in, the wine's settling in up there in Michigan, I have included some cozy winter items, special focus on sweaters and cute loungewear. A few of these pieces are a bit transitional as well. One of my favorite styles is our beautiful royal blue UMG sweater to style over black leggings, and our fun UMG Diana round neck pullover sweater that can be styled with faux leather leggings for a comfortable yet pulled together cozy season look. I can't wait to hear what you think. Happy holidays, Kristen, XO. Thanks. Alright, so first up, let me see. Oh, the ones are connected. Hang on. First up is almost everything's from UMG. All the tops are from UMG, and then the other thing is from Geely. This is from UMG. It's like that space dye, and then on the sleeve it's like a huge balloon sleeve, which I love, and it is like that animal print, so I'm excited. This is the UMG Loyla round neck slub knit top, so I think that's really cute. I think that could be loungewear, but I think you could just, you know, kind of dress it up too. So I really liked that one when they sent it in the preview. The first 5 things that were sent in my preview, I didn't like all of them, so I said, hey, can you send me some other options in my preview? So they did. So if you don't see anything you like, the first, you know, go around in the preview they email you, you can ask for other stuff. I think that was the first time I've done that. So the next one, it's really, really soft, and I really like this color, and it looks like it's longer. A lot of their tops are longer, I've noticed. But that's good for leggings. I do wear a lot of these tops with leggings. This is the UMG June knit top with a gathered waist. So it has a gathered waist. Let's see that. Yeah, right there. Little twist. So depending on where that twist hits, this could be super cute. It has a V-neck with a little pleat there, and then the long sleeves, kind of like a drop shoulder. I'm just gonna put everything in my lap because I still don't have a table nor my, you know, decorations. My hair's getting long. I think I'm gonna try growing it out. What do you guys think? And this is like really close to my natural color. It's been 6 weeks. I don't have any roots besides the white hairs that are growing in. And this next one is kind of thin, but it's polka dots, The polka dots do feel hard on here. Like, I don't know if you can see the texture, but they do feel kind of hard. So it's definitely not like in the knit, obviously, but I like polka dots. It has a nice hem on the bottom there. And this is the Umgee, because they're all Umgee Diana round neck pullover sweater in that kind of mustardy, Dijon mustard polka dot color. So we'll try it. Let's see, it has a balloon sleeve as well, which I don't know what it is. I just really like balloon sleeves. And we have this royal blue one from Umgee, which is really beautiful color. I really liked the neckline, how it's kind of a thicker neck there, and then it has kind of like the little striping knit going halfway down. And oh my gosh, it's heavy. This one's thicker than the other one. Little slight balloon sleeve and that little hem at the bottom. So I don't have any royal blue color shirts, tops. So I'm excited about that. This color blue is the color of my bridesmaids dresses when we got married. Quite a while ago now. And last we have this skirt, which I was really excited about because I really love like pleated skirts, and this is a velvet pleated skirt, you guys. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like this pale blush mauve-y kind of color. And this is the Geely Crush pleated velvet midi skirt. It's really pretty. So hopefully this fits because this was one I was hoping to keep, but it's stretchy, so I'm thinking it will. All right, let's try everything on. Here's the first top by Umgee, because they're all from Umgee. These sleeves are huge, huge balloon sleeve. I think it's kind of cute. With the cat, it's kind of more casual, you know, but I think I could still wear it to work. It has a nice little slit on the slide, and it's a little bit like a boxier here, like it's kind of straight across because it has that slit there. But I kind of like it. I like the big sleeves. It feels cozy, which is nice. What do you guys think? Let's see if we can tuck it into her jeans. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I think that's cute. Oh, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror over there. Oh, I don't know. It's nice and flowy. Big sleeves. How many times can I say big sleeves? It is a little bit longer in the back. So that's nice, I think. Yeah, so here's the first top. Pretty good start so far. So while I really like the color of this one, it's too big. I forgot to look at what size it is on the inside of the shirt, but I'm thinking it's probably a 1X, and I usually wear XL in tops. If I wanted like a big cozy top, it would be nice. I love the color. It's really soft, but I think the twist falls kind of weird. And maybe like the pleating right here between my boobs is a little weird. I don't know. Yeah, it's just too big. It's too big, like it's super long, which is good for leggings. Like I said, they like to send long stuff. I really like the color, so it's really a little bit disappointing. There's too much material or something, you know, like I tuck it in, you know, like I need all that less material. Like it should be like kind of tighter right there. You know what I mean? But I really like the color. I like the drop shoulder. So it's kind of sad. I'm gonna look over at my mirror here. Yeah, I'm a little sad. Oh, the shirt that could have been. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, well this one's pretty cute. And I did just check on the other one and it is an extra large, so it must run like really big. But here is the Umgee Diana round neck something or other top with the balloon sleeves. It is kind of see-through. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but you can see like where my arm is through the top. Probably like my bra and stuff too, but you know, whatever. But I like it. If I recall, this one's like, it's more pricey though, so I don't know if I like it that much. But I do like it, I think, the best in the box so far. I don't know. I like it though. I mean, I do really like it. Shoot, I just looked in the mirror and I was like, yeah. It has kind of like a slight dolman to it. I would totally wear this. Oh, I would totally wear this to work with the top under it for the see-through factor. Look at these sleeves. I don't know why I like these balloon sleeves so much. But I do. And this is an extra large as well. Oh. Shoot, this is one of the expensive ones. And the black dots on it, even though they're like hard on the outside, from like however they did it, it's not like that on the inside, because the polka dots are just on the outside part. So it's not itchy or anything on the inside, so that's nice. Oh man, okay, let's do the blue top. Okay, this one's for sure see-through too. You can totally, I think, see my bra through it. I love the neckline. Like, I really like the thickness of this part right here, but I don't think I like the rest of it. I a little bit feel like, you know, Willy Wonka, Violet, you're turning violet, Violet. Wine. So I'm not in love with it. I think it, you know, clings a little bit through here. Maybe like the lines kind of emphasize stuff. Just a shame. I really, really like the neckline and I like the sleeves. They have that slight balloon to them. I think the bottom might be a little too bunchy through here. Okay, let's try on the skirt. Okay, let's try on the skirt. Hang on. Okay, I'm keeping this skirt. This is what I'm keeping from the box. You ready? It's so pretty. Look how pretty. I feel like a little princess. Oh, it is so cute. Okay, let me scan down. Pan down, scan down. I'm gonna, here we go. This is happening. Ooh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Just stay tuned. Just sit tight. Let's see. You can see. Oh, look at that. And this is like totally how I wear it too. I like a striped top. I know people are like, oh, it makes things wide, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. I like a striped top, okay? So cute, so soft, so shiny, so stretchy. It's everything. It's everything you could want in a velvet pleated midi skirt. It's everything you could ever want. We're going down again because that's just what we're doing. We're getting a good angle on this skirt. It's happening, people. Live, real time. Okay, not live, but yeah. Yep. Getting this skirt. I'm keeping this. Wearing it to work. Wearing it to things. Wearing it to stuff. Okay? Super cute. Super adorable. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. This is what's staying with me. Let's go over prices. Alright, you're probably asking yourself, does she still have the skirt on? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. It's super comfy. Wine. Everyone have wine. Have a wine break. We're having a wine break. That was my tooth. It's just too much. Okay. The G. You guys, I forgot about everything else, okay? I think I'm just gonna keep the skirt because I like it so much. I didn't really like the yellow top, but I think it's expensive, so let's go over it. The G Diana round neck pullover sweater, $65. Yeah, but the nice thing too is they put next to the prices like what it would be for 25% off or 30% off, so that's kind of cool. Refocus. Hey. All right, so that's $65. The G Layla knit pullover sweater in the blue is $45, so that's, I like that price. The skirt's a little expensive. Okay, the G June knit top with a gathered waist, $44 for that orangey one. That was too big. And the skirt that I'm keeping, the The wine's kicking in, you guys. Okay, the skirt that I'm keeping, the Julie Crush Pleated Velvet Mini Skirt, $57. It's staying with me. It's gonna stay. It found a home, you guys. So if I take off the $20 credit, you know, from the price of the box, $37 extra. So whatever. And the UMG Lorlo round neck slub knit top with like the animal print sleeves. I did like that one. That was $43. So yeah. If I kept, you know, 3 of the things, it would make the yellow polka dot $48.75, the skirt $42.75, and the animal print sleeves $32.25. But I think I'm just gonna keep the skirt. You guys, I love skirts. I just wore one today. I'll usually wear them like once a week to work when my pants are dirty. Can anybody wink good? I can't, obviously. I have to make that sound when I do it. So, okay, the box total would be $254. If I kept everything, it would take 30% off, making the box $177.80. So that's awesome, I think, for a box of such caliber. But I'm not keeping everything. I'm just keeping the skirt. For sure, definite. I know sometimes I end videos and I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna keep. I'm keeping the skirt. It's staying here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me do my little spiel. If you haven't subscribed and you want to, hit the little subscribe button down below. If you want to check out my Instagram, it's eyebrow06. And if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Little thumbs up there. It's the one. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.